Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Autodesk AutoCAD. Today we will learn about the base creation, and in this way we will learn the extrude command. Extrude command is very common in 3D modeling. So let's access the file which was saved in the last lecture, which was lecture number 4. Now we have this file open. Here we have 2D layout, the base floor, walls only, and windows. So if we go to top view and create a simple 2D circle or rectangle or any other shape that we want, like this. Let's make another shape. Now we will go to southwest isometric view. So here is a circle. Now we can click on extrude, as it will create a 3D extrude object. We can do in positive or negative direction, say 500. Now we have extruded the circle, and now in realistic or shaded we can see this cylinder. Let's check as shaded. Now if we extrude it, simply press the enter key. If we write -500, we will get the same thing in other direction. We can select multiple objects together as well. We can use the extrude by writing EXT and then enter. Now we can select as many objects as we want and then press the enter key or the space bar from the keyboard. Now we can move in either directions or give a specific value. If we move it in downward direction and press 500, we will get extrusion of 500 units in negative x-axis. In this case it was z-axis, so it would be negative z-axis. It does not matter in which direction you are moving. So now we will create the base. We can select it and we can give a negative 12 inches value. It is 1 foot. Let's zoom extend, and in this way we have created the base of house successfully and also learned the extrusion command. Now we can save the file as lecture number 5 because we were doing all of these changes in lecture number 4 file. Let's call it a day. See you in another session. Till then, take care.